Hi guys, today I'm going to show you PowerPoint 2019. So this is my file. I made this phone thing. Okay, so there's, if you go to insert, they got this new thing, icons, and there's get add-ins, and that's where I got my emoji keyboard. So, and you get them for free. So there's this thing, whatever it does, I don't know what it does. Emoji keyboard, I already have that. There's a lot of other things I could add in. So my emoji keyboard, yeah, it takes a little bit. So there's almost every single emoji here. Well, there is. And then there's pets and plants are in the same place, and stars and stuff. Here's a bunch of food, rewards, and yeah, hobbies or whatever, vehicles and places, objects, symbols, and there's flags. Okay, so I made this phone. Well, I copied most of it down from Google, and I got the phone frame from the icons over here. Let me just exit the emoji keyboard. What's going on? Okay, now. So this is where I got the phone. I turned it around to make the button like over here. So with the emojis, I made this bank. So I pretty much used everything is emojis except for the background that I made with design. Here, and then format background, and then create and fill. Then I can move this stuff around. I like it here, I think. Oh no, I accidentally copied it. I'll delete that one. Okay, that looks good. And I made this shop, though it kind of looks terrible. And I made a Christmas tree because yesterday was Christmas. And I'm going to add another page. So let's use the emoji keyboard. Insert. So let's do, I don't know what to make. Now I'm just gonna make a house. So I'm gonna use the emoji keyboard. I'm gonna exit this. Places. Yeah, I could pretty much copy a house, but I want to improve it. Just make this bigger. Yeah, that looks good. Let's go to objects. For some reason, I like to put money things all over the place. Let's put a better door. Make the door taller. No, that doesn't look right. Here. No, I need it smaller. Oh, I guess that's good. Control C, Control V. Now there's another one. Okay, that looks good. Let's put a old key. I'm gonna shrink it and make a little hook for it. Or I'm gonna go to icons. I'm gonna have a little lady holding it. No, it needs to be smaller. And now she can hold the key. Oh no, the key's in the wrong place. I need another one to make it in the front. Okay. So now she's holding the key. Let me just change the color. Yeah, I guess purple's good because it's my favorite color. Okay, nice. And let's see what else to add. I got a good idea. I'm gonna use my bank idea. This is my idea of a bank. Well, the bank I already showed you it, but this is my idea of a house. We'll see. There. That would be nice. Okay. And now let's put little diamonds on the top. What else should I get into this house? Let's put a ribbon. Okay, that's good. Let's put a lock for the other one because its owner's not there. This is the weirdest house I have ever seen. Okay, what else should I add? You know, I'm just gonna go to I don't know who's there. Oh, design, format background. Oh no. Okay, let me just make this blue. I'm gonna make the background like this. No, wrong way. This. Okay, so that's my house. Let me just put a little dog to make it look good. Final touch is always a dog because they're my favorite pets. Okay. Why is it always a bulldog? It's just so annoying. Let's get a line to be the leash. Insert shapes. I'm going to use a rectangle. Now let's color the leash. Now let's not make it purple for the first time ever. And let's make a yellow outline. Okay, that actually kind of looks good. We'll just add a tree. Christmas tree. Or wait, there's a Christmas tree over there. Okay, that looks good. So this was PowerPoint 2019. See you guys next time. Bye.